Welcome to the channel. Today I'm reviewing 6 best vacuums for carpets, carefully selected based on research and testing for various needs. Whether you're seeking affordability, performance, or specific features, I've categorized the products to suit different buyer preferences. Check the description for up-to-date prices and details. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's dive in. Number 1. BISSELL Compact and Lightweight Upright Vacuum. Keep your home effortlessly clean with the BISSELL Compact and Lightweight Upright Vacuum, a powerful yet easy-to-maneuver cleaning solution designed to simplify your routine. Weighing just 10 pounds, this vacuum delivers full-size suction power in a compact frame, making it easy to transport and store. Whether you're tackling carpets, hard floors, or upholstery, its high-performance suction lifts dirt, dust, and pet hair with ease. Featuring innovative scatter-free technology, it prevents debris from spreading on hard floors, ensuring a more efficient clean with every pass. For above-floor messes, the quick-release extension wand provides extended reach, making it simple to clean high surfaces, tight spaces, and corners. Plus, every purchase proudly supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation, helping to save homeless pets, so you're not just cleaning your home, but making a difference. Designed for effortless maneuverability, this vacuum is perfect for busy households, pet owners, or anyone looking for a lightweight yet powerful cleaning solution. Experience hassle-free cleaning and enjoy a fresher, cleaner home with the BISSELL Compact and Lightweight Upright Vacuum, because a clean space leads to a happier, healthier life. Number 2. AZVKEA S17 Cordless Vacuum. Upgrade your cleaning routine with the AZVKEA S17 Cordless Vacuum, featuring a cutting-edge 550W motor that delivers an incredible 45 kilopascals of suction power. Effortlessly lift dust, debris, and pet hair from hard floors, tile, carpets, and more, while enjoying whisper-quiet operation that won't disturb your family or pets. Powered by a long-lasting 2,500 mAh lithium-ion battery, this vacuum runs for up to 60 minutes, giving you uninterrupted, efficient cleaning at your own pace. The V-shaped anti-tangle brush, designed with a specialized leather strip, prevents hair from clogging, while an LED headlight ensures no dust goes unnoticed. Unlike traditional vacuums, the dual-handle design allows you to easily reach under furniture, while the upright feature lets you pause without hassle. Experience fresher air with an advanced 8-stage filtration system that captures 99.99% of fine dust, enhanced with aromatherapy tablets for a refreshing scent as you clean. With AZVKEA's 24/7 customer support and rapid response service, you'll always have a helping hand. Elevate your cleaning game today. Number 3. BISSELL Pet Hair Eraser Upright Vacuum. Make pet hair cleanup a breeze with the BISSELL Pet Hair Eraser Upright Vacuum. Engineered for powerful, seamless performance on stairs, upholstery, and hard-to-reach areas. Every purchase helps save homeless pets through the BISSELL Pet Foundation, so you can clean with a cause. Featuring a triple-action brush roll and scatter-free technology, this vacuum effortlessly lifts and removes stubborn pet hair while preventing debris from spreading across hard floors. The always-on quick-release extension wand provides instant above-floor cleaning, tackling messes on furniture, curtains, and more. Swivel steering and a lightweight design make maneuvering around furniture easy, while edge-to-edge cleaning ensures no pet hair or dust is left behind. Plus, the included pet turbo eraser tool and 2-in-1 dusting brush plus crevice tool help you target embedded hair and dirt in every nook and cranny. With powerful suction and pet-focused features, the BISSELL Pet Hair Eraser keeps your home fresh and fur-free, because a clean home is a happy home for you and your pets. Number 4. BISSELL CleanView Swivel Upright Vacuum. Experience effortless cleaning with the BISSELL CleanView Swivel Upright Vacuum, designed to tackle pet hair, dirt, and debris with ease. Every purchase supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation, helping save homeless pets while keeping your home spotless. Featuring advanced swivel steering, this vacuum glides smoothly around furniture and obstacles for maximum maneuverability. The powerful triple-action brush roll lifts, loosens, and removes embedded pet hair from carpets and rugs, while scatter-free technology keeps dry messes contained on hard floors. Edge-to-edge cleaning ensures no dust or pet fur is left behind, even in corners and along baseboards. The multi-cyclonic cleaning system provides consistent suction, and the easy carry handle makes transporting the vacuum a breeze. Whether you're dealing with daily pet messes or deep cleaning your space, the BISSELL CleanView Swivel Vacuum delivers unbeatable performance. Keep your home cleaner, your pets happier, and make a difference with every clean. Number 5. Dirt Devil Endura Lite Upright Vacuum Cleaner. Take the hassle out of cleaning with the Dirt Devil Endura Lite Upright Vacuum Cleaner, your go-to solution for powerful, effortless performance. Designed with an advanced Endura filtration system, this vacuum delivers consistent no-loss suction so you can power through dirt, dust, and debris with confidence. Its lightweight, compact design makes it easy to maneuver, while the multi-floor brush roll seamlessly transitions between carpets and hard floors for a thorough clean. Need to reach high surfaces or tight corners? The quick-release extension wand offers an impressive 6 feet of reach, while the onboard toolkit ensures you have the right accessory for every mess. Emptying the vacuum is a breeze with the one-touch, easy-release dirt cup, reducing trips to the trash. Plus, the rinsable filter allows for low-maintenance, long-lasting performance. Whether you're tackling everyday messes or deep cleaning your entire home, Dirt Devil provides the versatility and efficiency you need to clean smarter, not longer. Say goodbye to all-day chores and hello to a fresher, faster clean. Number 6. Shark Ultra Lightweight Vacuum. Meet the Shark Ultra Lightweight Corded Stick Vacuum, your ultimate cleaning companion for a spotless home. Weighing in at under 9 pounds, this powerful vacuum glides effortlessly across carpets and hard floors, delivering unbeatable suction that never fades. With the touch of a button, seamlessly switch between surfaces using intuitive fingertip controls. Need to reach high corners, upholstery, or tight spaces? Convert it into a handheld vacuum and tackle floor-to-ceiling messes with ease. Swivel steering gives you precise control around furniture, while the easy empty dust cup ensures you're back to cleaning in seconds. Equipped with a HEPA filter and specialized tools, including an upholstery tool, anti-allergen dust brush, and crevice tool, this vacuum is built to capture dust and allergens, making your home cleaner and fresher. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.